Hey guys, welcome back. Second video in our Capcut learning series. Again, this is chat prompting. I'm going to pull my screen up here. Start recording so you guys can see what's happening. Voila. I got chat up. I got Capcut up side by side. We're talking about our Capcut learning guide. And we went over that in the last video, the introduction to this series. We are starting today with basic editing. We have gone on YouTube and searched and watched Capcut beginner tutorials, and we are focusing on these 4 things for day 1. That's today's video: importing clips, splitting clips, deleting mistakes, rearranging clips. Stop there. Okay. I've got Capcut open on the side, so I'm going to nail that down just so we can remember what we're focusing on, and then you can see day 2 there, preview, auto captions. That'll be our next video. This is Capcut. This is what it looks like on my tablet with nothing's happened yet. It generally opens you to this screen. There's tons of templates. We're not going to even dig into that. There's my projects. I have none. There's me. That's my account. Okay, generally start here. Got some familiarity with this using it on my mobile, but like I said, haven't used it on my tablet yet, but that's what I'm showing you guys. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to do a new video. This is going to bring up everything that is downloaded on this device. It's not going to bring up anything else, only what I have saved to this device. It does not link to the cloud, which is unfortunate. On my phone it does, but the scrubbing process is tedious. Anyways, how do you import? We're going to take this video right here, we're going to select it, and you can select multiple videos. It will just clip them together back to back, so you need to know they're in the right order before you do that. So we'll take that one, and we will take that one, which is like a DIY project. And we're going to add those 2 down here. Okay, it brings us into our navigation screen. There you can see our video on this top line here. You got video, audio, text. You got some other features over here we'll talk about. You have your editing menu down below. Okay, so our clip is imported, and we did 2 just so I could show you. You got your timeline right up here, and it's kind of frame by frame action. This is 7 minutes, a little longer than anything that I want to post really, but I keep running long. I'm already 3 minutes on this one. Eventually, you'll get over here to the 7.5 minute mark, and you will see, oh, it just seamed those 2 videos together into one long video. So that's how it's going to do it. So if you are putting multiple pieces of video together, you need to make sure that you have your order in place. There is an option to rearrange clips, but in terms of moving, so if I wanted to move this entire thing to the front because I put it in the wrong order, we can do that. But first let's talk about splitting. This right here is a split. So you're playing through, we're just going to find the first and we're going to split there. You got your edit feature down here. So we're going to play. Direction that it wants to take me in. We're going to edit. Creating content goes. And it's got a plethora of editing tools. One more question here. Split is right here. We're getting a little bit longer than I want to be, so hopefully the response won't be quite as long, but I brought it up earlier. There was my, there wasn't really a pause there, but, oh, more commercials, thank you. Let's go back and do that. Okay, so you got kind of second by second, 26, 27, 28, right? This won't be, so our is right there, 27. Okay, so we're going to split. Right there, and that creates a new clip. Now you've got a clip here, you've got a clip here. You see that split. Now you've got a couple options here. You can select it. You can drag it to shorten the clip. That's one way to delete it. Let's see what that looks like. I want to be, so hopefully the response won't be quite as long, but I brought it up. And we did it. Hopefully the response won't be quite as long, right? You guys saw that? Hopefully the response won't be quite as long, but a little jumpy, but it's there. You did it. This button is your friend. You're going to revert your mistakes a lot when you are learning. Okay, deleting mistakes. So that's section 1. You clip it and you trim it. The other way you can do that, and it's important for practice. Split it again. Take the entire clip. Delete it. Take it out. Okay. So that's how you delete. I'm going to undo that one. I think that my first edit was done. Rearranging clips. Okay. So let's say this video is actually supposed to be first. This gets a little tedious because it grabs each clip. So the more clips you have, the more splits that you create in your video, the harder it gets to keep those organized when you go into rearranging mode. The splits are functional for your editing. You're going to make lots of them. I made lots of them in my videos to correct your mistakes. Anyways, rearranging clips. So you see we have 4 frames there as I'm holding this down. So those are the 3 splits we've made. And that is allowing me to put that clip where I want it. So we're going to put that at the beginning. All right, so that's our first minute 11 seconds. Then you get to your first split, your next split, etc., etc., etc. All right, guys, we're already over 5 minutes, and this is stop there. That's what we're going to do. We'll be back with day 2. Thanks for watching.